I got a call from a good friend of mine, Jackie. She thought that it would be a good thing, so that's why I came. Particularly because from my years of writing, I had made up my mind that I would write or compile my writings into a book. I have an uncle of mine who's been on my case for many years to do that. So years back I did decide that yes, I was going to compile them into something which would be a collection of our previous stories. So the experience has particularly enhanced that. Grounded me more, given me a wider perspective on how to approach it and how to do it, have the end in mind and therefore plan properly. So it has definitely added a lot of value to me. Writing is a lot more serious than just a hobby, and the hows and the whys and the whens and the details of how to write, that has been very enriching. Even just to sit and chat with the different people, that always adds value. I had a good chat with Jackie Batanda on many issues on a very, very personal level, and that has been very good for me.